Okay, fourth day with the Delta Pro Ultra solar only. So I got about 500 watts of power on the roof right now. That's just 100-watt panels. But I got 1,000 watts panels coming, so that'll give me 1,500. And besides that, I finally got an electrician to come in and get ready to put in my smart panel too. So I think with the combination of the other panels and the smart sub panel, you give me something to play with. I guess this is really my boy's toy, but I won't tell my lady that. I just tell her it's about getting the bill down. So there you go, fourth day. I'm most definitely gonna use some of this energy to watch TV tonight. Ain't no need to get it if I'm not gonna use it. So, fourth day on the Ultra, solar only. As soon as I get my other panels there, I know it'll charge it all the way up. I'll just grow my panels over time when I have the money to grow them. Until then, I'm gonna use what I got.